If we fade away, don't let it mean we failed. I still remember how your voice felt calm, like summer rain when the world goes wrong. We didn't know much, but we had that spark. Two broken lights trying to light the dark. Every little dream that we used to say still echoes softly in my brain today. We built a world out of fragile hands, never knowing it might not last. And I know time won't wait for us, but I still believe in what we were. If we fade away, don't let it break your heart. We were always meant to be something apart, but I'll carry you in every part of me, like a song that I still believe. If we lose our way in the falling rain, I'll still remember your name, even if we don't stay the same. It was never in vain. Now the nights feel longer than before, empty rooms where we used to talk more. I trace your shadow on the bedroom wall, like you never left at all. Maybe love is just a passing phase, or a fire we couldn't contain, but I'd do it all again the same, even knowing it might break. And maybe we were too young to see how fragile forever can be. If we fade away, don't let it break your heart. We were always meant to be something apart, but I'll carry you in every part of me, like a song that I still believe. So if the stars